Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into something super exciting, how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing fraud detection in the insurance industry. Yep, you heard that right. AI isn't just for your fancy gadgets and self-driving cars anymore. It's now a game changer in keeping your insurance claims safe and secure. So, let's set the stage. Insurance fraud, it's a massive issue. We're talking about false claims, identity theft, and a whole lot more. The insurance sector is one of the most data-heavy industries out there, handling billions in premiums each year. And where there's data, there's always someone looking to exploit it. But here's where AI steps in like a superhero. Artificial intelligence, with its incredible capacity to process and analyze data, has become an essential tool in the fight against fraud. According to Precedence Research, the global AI insurance market is expected to skyrocket with a CAGR of 33.06% from 2023 to 2032, reaching a whopping USD 79.86 billion. Yep, those numbers are mind-blowing. So how does it work? AI-powered systems use sophisticated algorithms to detect patterns and anomalies that a human might miss. It's like having a super-sleuth working 24/7, tirelessly scanning through mountains of data. This means that fraudulent claims get flagged in real time, and insurers can prevent payouts on suspicious activities before they even happen. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine you're an insurance company, and you receive a claim for a stolen vehicle. AI can cross-reference the claim with historical data, check for inconsistencies, and even analyze the claimant's past behavior. If something doesn't add up, the system raises a red flag, prompting further investigation. It's efficient, effective, and drastically reduces the odds of fraud slipping through the cracks. But it's not just about catching fraud after it happens. AI is also proactive. It can predict and prevent fraudulent activities by learning from past data and identifying potential threats before they escalate. Think of it as having a crystal ball that protects your assets. And here's the best part. It's not just the big players who benefit. Thanks to advancements in AI technology, even smaller insurance firms can afford these cutting-edge tools, leveling the playing field and making the industry safer for everyone. So, as technology continues to evolve, AI will undoubtedly play a crucial role in safeguarding insurance against financial crimes. It's an exciting time to be in this field and to witness firsthand how AI is transforming the way we handle fraud detection. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.